The Lincoln Navigator SUV is designed to meet your lifestyle needs with this eye-catching tailgate. It also includes one of my favorite Lincoln innovations, the Lincoln Splitgate. A variety of convenient methods can be used to open or close the Splitgate. You can use the key fob, liftgate buttons, and interior or exterior buttons. To set your preferences for how you'd like your Splitgate to open and close, select the vehicle icon from your home screen, select Settings, then Power Splitgate. This is where you can select power, manual, or key fob. With the key fob feature, you can choose to have only the liftgate open or the liftgate and the tailgate open together. Open the top half when you want to quickly move items in or prevent items from rolling out. Lower the bottom half down to make loading and unloading of larger items effortless. The tailgate is not just for loading and unloading cargo, it can also be used as a gathering space with an available cargo management system that can be configured into 3 unique positions and serve as a shelf, a table, or as a bench with a backrest. To move the board into the shelf position, lift the board and move it to a horizontal position. Once the board is horizontal, insert the 4 nubs into the hooks on either side. The shelf will hold up to about 35 pounds. To configure the table, place the forward-facing nubs in the 2 back hooks and pull out the table legs, placing them on the tailgate, converting your Splitgate into a convenient space for tailgating. To move the board into the rear backrest position, lift the board and move it to a vertical position, inserting it into the slot in the base of the cargo area, and insert the rear-facing nubs into the hooks on either side. There are even adjustable lights in the tailgate area to light the space at night if you wish. Thank you for watching.